F'Malta is-saltna tal-familja u l-ħbieb hija aktar b'saħħitha mis-saltna ta' dritt. Ammissjoni xokkanti mill-Ministru għall-Affarijiet Barranin Evarist Bartolo waqt intervista ma' Tim Sebastian fil-programm Conflict Zone.
In a small society, personal networks, personal relations are stronger than institutional ones.
Bartolo kien qed iwieġeb mistoqsija tal-preżentatur dwar il-fatt li l-OCCRP li tat l-award għall-korruzzjoni u l-kriminalità lill-eks Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat u watchdogs oħra internazzjonali kienu konxi li l-korruzzjoni u l-kriminalità kienu qed jiffjorixxu taħt it-tmexxija ta' Joseph Muscat b'tali mod li nħolqot klima li waslet għall-assassinju ta' Daphne Caruana Galizia. Sebastian jgħid li Evarist Bartolo li bil-fors la kienu jafu entitajiet internazzjonali u kien jaf ukoll. Bartolo jwieġeb mhux għal kollox.
OCCRP said that under Muscat's leadership, criminality and corruption have flourished and in many cases gone unpunished, creating an environment that led to the 2017 murder of Daphne Caruana Galizia. If they knew that, and the same message was coming from other international watchdogs, you had to know what was going on yourself, didn't you?
Not completely, and I'm not trying to get away from this.
Tul l-intervista Evarist Bartolo insisti li hu kien ilu minn mindu tfaċċa l-iskandlu tal-Panama Papers jipprova jdawwar ir-rotta tal-gvern. Iżda Sebastian fakru li meta ġie ċans li jivvota kontra Conrad Mizzi fil-vot ta' sfiduċja u naqas milli jagħmel dan.
Yeah, but in the end you helped to keep in office a man whose behaviour in your own view had been shoddy and inadequate.
My single vote wouldn't have made a difference.
Every single vote makes a difference, Minister, doesn't it?
No, but not in that case.
Tim Sebastian ifakru li saħansitra l-Prim Imħallef Emeritu Silvio Camilleri kien wissa li pajjiżna kien riesa lejn saltna tal-kriminalità.
Your own Chief Justice, Silvio Camilleri, warned that instead of the rule of law, Malta was heading to what he called the rule of delinquents. None of that was enough to change anybody's mind then, was it?
Bartolo jwieġeb li kien biss reċentement li ndunaw bl-affarijiet li kienu qed jiġru.
I repeat, when things started becoming more clear for us, because you might think that I'm trying to get away from what you're telling me, but it's only recently that things became so clear to us what was happening.
U hawn li l-preżentatur jallega li Bartolo kien jaf aktar minn hekk.
You know more than this, don't you? You know more than this.
What do you mean I know more than this?
You know more. You talk about murderers being protected. I'm asking you very simply, who's protecting them on Malta? Who?
I keep on saying, I will keep on pushing for all the truth to come out.
Sebastian mhux kuntant bitweġiba u jinsisti.
But you're not answering my question. I'm asking you who.
I cannot give you.
Who? Why not?
No, of course not.
Why not? You know the names. Why don't you go to the police?
If there are investigations, I can assure you that I'm doing my duty.
Il-preżentatur isemmi kwestjonijiet oħra kontroversjali fosthom in-nuqqas ta' libertà tal-espressjoni f'pajjiżna, il-kuntratt ta' konsulenza li jingħata Conrad Mizzi wara li riżenja mill-Ministru u l-hate groups segreti laburisti li ċċelebraw l-assassinju ta' Daphne Caruana Galizia e kif ħarġet l-aħbar. Bartolo evidentement skomdu jitkellem dwar dan kollu.